see. We come from Minneapolis area, so it's about pretty close to a 1,000-mile drive. We're going to stop in Nashville and have a night there, and then we're going to look around in Nashville, and then tomorrow maybe go to the Jack Daniel's distillery.
Please comment, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up.
Yep, and let's go. Be right back.
Right lane to take exit 43 onto I-24 East and Briley Parkway.
There we go.
Okay, where's the
Nashville KOA.
do not enter there?
Place. They got pool, lawn bowling. It's a luxury resort. Look at this. Man, nice. Yeah, here's the Country Music Hall of Fame. Guy playing the drums on the street there. Nashville shirts. They got a lot of them. Anything you want in Nashville, they got it here. This place is a frickin' zoo, man. I can't believe what a zoo this is.
Can you do video around here?
This is the place. A lot of bands there. Plenty of room.
Turn right into the parking lot.
Where are we at? Well, here's where we're parked at the Adventure Van Expo. We kind of got a system now. We put the leashes and hang them there. These dogs are in the crate. So they're just gonna chill out for a while we go. That's okay, Riley. You're good. So anyway, we're gonna go and walk around for a little bit.
So I can use the right here.
So this Livermore camper vans, they've got a lot of stuff at their booth. I think there's three vans here from them. So they do a nice job, you know. I think this is painted. So
Website you can book. You have a coupon for
3 different packages, so you can kind of get a feel about what you might want to have in the future.
Well, thank you.
Thank you, man. Say what? Yeah, I got a car right here that's actually I have a booth on it as well. I put the coupons down. It says only until December.
nice. It's all painted. Good. How are you? Are you from
I am with
Livermore?
sir.
Want to be on YouTube?
It could be if you want. I charge a fee, right? That's the way to do it.
What is that battery there? I like that. It's
Those are
Big Daddy.
200 amp hours a piece. far as your bed will go, it's how far your battery will go.
Oh, I suppose, yeah.
And it's as much weight as you want on the left side of your van.
Yeah. You guys do nice work. Just from the back.
How are you guys? Got from there?
Tapes for
Absolutely.
channel.
Kind of nice, you know.
Another Livermore.
It's another Livermore. But she did a nice job here on this. She was happy. It's a happy van.
No shoes inside.
Huh?
No shoes inside. I keep telling
That's
you, I
okay.
have to leave the
This is so cool. I love this van. So there's the shower. Look at this. And then she just puts those hooks up above, magnetic. Boom. We got the same toilet. So, little tent trailer, look at this. I mean, everything you need right here. It's like a queen size bed up there. Kitchen in the back. Storage underneath. There you go. Oh, mainline Overland.
Pretty rough. Like 6.5 hours.
They got a van and a couple of pickups here. This is kind of cool, a Hawk.
Yeah. So all you have to do is just pull that platform out.
Okay, so Outdoorsy.
Yeah, Outdoorsy takes care of the insurance, roadside assistance, customer service, and you can list your camper van with us to make some extra income.
And like our van, 144 Sprinter is how much?
Around 200 a night in this area.
Does it matter what part of the country? We're in Minnesota.
That's awesome. Yeah, no, we're all over the U.S., Canada, Europe.
Huh. Can you fold this one up again?
Yeah.
Look at that. So is that a table on the back of that thing?
See, the table's mounted into that one.
Oh, I see. So then it flops down into a table. That is so cool. See, I looked all over for something like this, couldn't find it. Designed it different now. Ready, set, van.
Did you get them on the job?
I did, yeah. There's a couple of them here. Toilet in there. Nice. Well, this is kind of a nice setup here with the booth in front.
Yeah, I mean, I'm barely touching, but that's pretty good.
So everybody uses these porta potties. I don't know. I feel like I should maybe try one. So this looks like they filled that in Bondo there or something. I don't know. Some backlights here. It's nice. This little thing here is nice. I like that little front lounge.
You're welcome to go inside if you'd like.
Okay. Site 7. Sounds like a UFO thing. What's that fancy cutout on above the fridge? That's cool.
That's probably a van on the refrigerator. The fancy cutout.
Yeah.
Does this fold down here, this bed?
The back cushions fold up, so you can make a front to back bed.
Oh, I see. Wow. Huh. So this is metal here. It's a metal frame. That's cool.
Yeah, in the.
That's a nice size fridge.
In there beside.
I know. I like that isotherm fridge.
Is this candy free?
Yeah, a little composting toilet.
You guys do
I give you permission to take as much as you want. How's
Not
that?
really. We
Okay.
say we
I like that angled cabinet. That's really nice.
If you want like a toilet, you want to buy our bills, we typically just
Yeah.
What you see of the wooden frames?
Yeah.
These are actual metal frame
Yeah.
built in.
undersized.
This is cool. This is a cool way of showing this.
Have about 5 seconds.
Yes, I left. To get I left downtown about.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. So the minute you need
Get some kind of unique things. Like here's a bungee cord shoe rack and some towel racks up above there. It's just kind of different, you know. Got a few different things here. 027. What does that mean?
You want to see the card, or you can see it there.
Camper van details. What is it for?
I don't know.
Oh. Yeah, you need your axe. So these guys make the rugged tools here.
How are you today?
Good, how are you? So we need an axe. We're gonna go out and chop some trees down. Here we are at the storyteller booth, you guys. I've never seen one of these in person, I guess. So we got a nice little platform there. It's different.
Take this off.
It's the beast, yeah.
And now we have
These cost a little money. Which we don't need the legs, but this is a Ford here. Oh, there's that shower that folds out from the ceiling.
And all this folds up and goes in.
So here it is from the other side. I don't know what this. There we go. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Got a little pouch here. Very nice. There's the shower from this side. And there's the shower pan down there. So I suppose you'd have a toilet in that if you fold up seat. This is a Ford. Yeah, we watch your channel too.
like you were talking to me.
I feel like I know the guy.
I am being a little bit of a creeper. I was trying to take a look at.
Look how clean this is though. So they get 2 more batteries than us. Probably for the AC, huh? Very clean. Very nice job they did. This is this Canyon or who is this?
Let's look next door.
Just the van?
Just the whole thing.
Valley High. They're van life outfitters here. Very clean. Very clean van.
Honey, not Trixie.
Trixie, you're not supposed to come up here. I like the espresso machine though. Oh, and they got a shower. It's not bad.
More things to drive in.
Maybe so. They got a shelf up there. It's very nice. Little table. I love these drawers. They did a nice job back here. Well, there's no mattress apparently, but too much probably.
So bad. Not gonna let your phone down. Is that okay if you put some of his YouTube channel?
Oh, for sure.
You folks have a van then, or?
Yeah.
Still working. It's a big fridge. In there, but there's somebody there.
I'll show you out in just a minute. So this is the completed build. We also offer the kits. So if you wanted to build it yourself, we'll sell the electrical wiring harness, the furring strips, cabinets,
Wow.
and everything, and you can do it yourself. Right now they take about 6-7 months once we have the van to build it and complete it.
Huh. So you get a box of wires with it. Oh, that's a next step. Oh. So this is the Airstream here. Wow. Interstate X.
Oh, you
Here's, oh, the counter lights up. Ooh. See, then this is a shade. And this is a screen here. Big fridge. So this, oh, there's the signature Airstream. I see, you get a toilet there. And, huh, very nice. Special seats. I love that paneling on the sidewall there. And then they've got this little curved shelf here. That's cool. And the big sunroof up above. It's very nice. Very clean back here. I like the archway.
This one, Doctor.
It's the Bodhi? Is that how you? Or Bodhi?
Buddy.
Bodhi. Hey, that's our show for today. Thanks for watching. Adventure Van Expo was a lot of fun. We met some new friends out there, and probably meet them again at another Adventure Van Expo. We're talking about it. But
It makes it really fun when you can meet new people and share common interests. And
I was surprised at how many people like the same stuff I like. I didn't realize there were that many people who are into it like I am. So anyway, thanks for watching.
like and subscribe below and leave a comment.
You know, watch our van build too. You can go back, there's like 20, I think there's 23 or 24 episodes that shows how we built our van. So thanks a lot. See you later.
Thanks for watching. Already, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks.
Mom.